If you're a student and you use ChatGPT, you have to watch this video.
You guys know that AI is one of the best tools nowadays. You generate a text in ChatGPT or any AI tool and put it in Turnitin or GPT-0, it will show that it's AI. What you're gonna do is copy the AI content to BypassGPT, copy the written content to Turnitin or GPT-0, and voila, no more AI detection, meaning BypassGPT can help bypass AI detection. We do not condone plagiarism. It's just something that will help us with ideas, brainstorming, so use it appropriately and ethically. Bye!